We have changes to Norwegian's masking policy that will affect cruises starting tomorrow. We'll get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So guests that are booked on the Norwegian Escape, the Norwegian Joy, the Norwegian Gem, and the Norwegian Breakaway have already been notified about a change to Norwegian Cruise Lines masking policy. Everybody was sent an email, and this goes into effect as early as tomorrow, December the 18th. Go ahead and read this to you guys here real quickly. Dear valued guests and travel partners, we cannot wait to welcome our loyal guests aboard for a vacation of a lifetime. In advance of our upcoming cruises, we want to ensure you are aware of our latest health and safety protocols and requirements. Among the latest developments, we are asking guests to wear masks on board while indoors, except when actively eating or drinking or when in their stateroom. Wear masks outdoors when social distancing is not possible. Adhere to local regulations when visiting ports of call. As part of our Sail Safe health and safety program, all guests are required to be fully vaccinated at least 2 weeks prior to departure, and they must show proof of vaccination at the terminal in order to board the vessel. We encourage everyone to visit NorwegianCruiseLine.com Sail Safe for a list of vaccines accepted by Norwegian Cruise Lines, including a recently updated list of vaccine combinations now accepted to sail aboard our fleet, following the latest U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention guideline. And the rest simply goes on to talk about their testing requirements. Now, their testing requirements and their vaccination requirements have not changed for Norwegian. The change, of course, is in their masking policy, where they are now asking guests to wear masks while indoors and outdoors when social distancing is not possible. And obviously, this is a direct change to the cruise lines' cruise mask-free policy. Now, Norwegian Cruise Lines definitely wants you to start wearing a mask while you're indoors and outdoors in situations where you cannot social distance. And of course, you know, they had some cases recently on the Norwegian Breakaway. And between that and the current spread of the Omicron variant, some changes in the cruise lines' health and safety protocols is not really surprising. And this is just one of the first ones that we're going to start to see. And we'll see if any of the other cruise lines make any changes as well. All right, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.